Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the government buying 100 new school buses. Now the government started the rural school bus service last year and they purchased 110 used school buses at a cost of 1.4 billion Jamaican dollars. Now, of those 110 buses, 30% of them have broken down to the point where they cannot put them on the road. So out of the 110, only about 80 school buses roll out every day. And they carry 16,000 students per day at a cost of $50 per trip. Now, what's very surprising about this move by the government to buy 100 new school buses is, and they're going to be spending $2 billion to buy the 100 new school buses, according to reports. Why didn't they just buy new school buses instead of the 110 used school buses? This one is very surprising. Guys, let us know what you think. Now, when the program was announced, the opposition, and we're not a political channel, but the opposition said, why don't you buy new school buses? Why are you buying old school buses? And the government came out and defended the used buses and a lot of discussion. So I'm a bit surprised that after 1 year and $1.4 billion spent, the government is now saying they are going to be buying new buses as the used buses have challenges. Now, we are out by the Portmore bus depot, and these are where the JUTC buses operate. And the JUTC bought new buses and they work perfectly. So these are the new buses that the ones we're looking at now that the JUTC use, which brings up another question with the JUTC buses, the CNG buses that are these CNG? Usually the ones in Portmore, the ones with the green sticker to the side, those are CNGs. They're cheaper to operate. They don't have to, diesel is expensive and these use CNG gas. So a lot of questions need to be asked. Why did they buy used school buses? And within a year, they're now saying they need to buy new school buses. I mean, I would say the government has a lot of money, but they just announced recently that they are going to be increasing taxes. So I am totally confused as to what's going on. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, just to be clear, new buses are the best way to go. So why did they buy 110 used buses? That's what we're asking. Guys, leave your comments in the section below. They should have just bought the new buses, even if they could, for the money, buy 80 new school buses. Probably would have worked out to the same as 110 used school buses, because you don't have 110 school buses on the road on any given day. They say it's between 70 and 80%. So on average, you could say it's about 80 buses roll out every day. So not sure what happened. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.